Let's clean the window. So today I'm using this product. Disclaimer, this is not sponsor. So this is a cleaning window cleaner that I use here. So we will see how effective it is. But first thing, you have to get a nice clean cloth to prepare. I think 2 cloths. One you will use is to wipe the window, and the other one is to dry. So this product, or you could use water if you like, water and 2 clean cloth. So how to clean? Of course, you have to apply it. Tiny spray there. Then with your cloth, you have to wipe it like that. Then this is for video purposes only. I will not do the whole thing for the moment. So can't you see, guys? Efficace. And then tres efficace. Then you have to dry it to get a shiny one. But if you don't have this kind of product, you could use water or vinegar to clean up. This one way to remove the the spit of the fly. The fly love to spit on your windowsill. So this is one way to remove the marks of your window, and then you have to wipe very well so that you could remove the hard mark of your window, because there were some marks like those that is hard to remove. So that's one way to remove the mark. So if your cloth is dirty, what will happen is you cannot get a clear glass. So it should be clear and nice looking. And there is really a cloth for cleaning windows. So can't you see how clear it is? So that's it, guys, and I need to do the rest of the window. So I cannot show you the two, because looks like the sun is down now and you cannot see much of the sunlight. It's about sunset time. Can't you see? It's about sunset. It's a beautiful day today with you. So I will show you the two. So here it's still very dirty if you look at it. The other side, I don't know if it is visible for you. It's very dirty. And the other one here, it's now clean. So like that. I don't know if you can see much the difference. So the other one is clean and the other one is dirty. So that's it for today. So bye for now, guys, and have a lovely day. Can't you see the difference? The other window is dirty. The other one is clear. The right side is dirty and this one is clean. Dirty and clean. Dirty and clean. Dirty and clean. So that's it. So again, what we need, if you don't have this kind of product to clean the window, here it says Vit and surfaces vitre nettoyant. It means in English to clean, nettoyant, something to clean. Vet, it means the glass or the window glass, and surfaces vitre, so any glass surfaces, so this could be applied. So that is French, vitre. Actually the glass is, you call it verre, but this one is not actually a glass, so it's a window sill, vitre. So that's it. This is not sponsor. Disclaimer, we bought it from the store. So I'm just using this one. I love this product. This Recycle Moi. So the bottle can be recycled. It says Recycle Moi. Recycle me. So again, this is disclaimer. This is not sponsor. It means hypoallergenic. So hypoallergenic cannot cause any allergy. Hypo, it means below. Hyper is high, hypo is low. So hypoallergenic. It doesn't mean that it does not cause you allergy, but less. So disclaimer, read instructions when you are using any product prior using it for your safety or for any safety purposes. So let me continue my cleaning. So this is it. I'm not done yet. Still dirty here, but I will finish it maybe tomorrow. Can't you see? I need to balay and I need to clean up here. Sa Bisaya pa man, limpyo ta diri, trapuhan og silhigan. In French, je vais balayer et après nettoyer avec éponge. So si comme ça, guys, si comme ça, si comme si or si comme ça. So this one, I put this in my window since this is La Monte. So anytime you want to use it, you can just reach. You can pick up some leaves. This is good to, I used to put this sometimes with my drinks. And of course, sometimes when I'm cooking some poulet de viande. And this is romara or rosemary. Rosemary in English. This one is Lamont. It means the mint in English. So that's it for today, and I hope you learned something from it today, and leave a comment. And this is for my own improvement. I'm still learning every day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. See you. Catch you soon.